Hello, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Smart Band Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our device. To do it, simply tap on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you can press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu, and in this menu you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping up and down on the screen. Now find the watch face you like to use and then tap on it to apply it, like this. You can also change the watch face via the phone app, so let's bring our phone right here. Of course it has to be a phone that our smart band is paired with. Now let's open the Xiaomi Wear application on our phone. In the app, let's tap on Profile. Wait until the device is done syncing with your phone, and you should see the band display. Tap on it, and here we can again select the watch face we like to use, for example this one, and then tap on Apply to apply it on our smart band, like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.